Today, I'm making an origami flower fan thing. Some assembly required. Hello! I do not do a lot of origami, which will probably be very clear very soon. But this super fast video came up on Facebook the other day, and instead of saying, I can't do that, I am here. The idea is that you make each individual little petal and then you glue them together to make a flower that kind of opens up like a fan. And don't we all need more like flowers and cheery stuff? That's what I thought. Now, let's try to figure it out. I decided to use small origami squares, which now I'm worried might be kind of little and fussy. Too late now, I already found my rainbow. I also have some popsicle sticks for the stem part, not sure which size I'm gonna want, and double-sided tape probably would be smart, but I don't have any. Instead, I will try glue dots and maybe this glue pen, which absolutely could be dry. Oh boy, the video is so fast. So, starting with the white side up, fold the bottom point up to the top. Now the right point folds over to the left. Squish it, and then you open it back up again. So far, so good. Next, these two edges are going to fold up to meet the middle line, like this. Then, both of these middle edges fold back to line up with this little side edge here. Same for this side. And squish it. Okay, I watched the video again, no joke, like 3 more times. And I think we fold these 2 triangles open. Then fold down the top point to meet the bottom. Now you have a wide kitty face. Okay. Just stared at it a few more times. I think we open these little flappies and fold it in half and then glue it along this triangle here. Might as well try it. Here's a glue dot. Not sure if it's super visible, and then I'll stick it to the paper. There it is. And glue it. Great, I think. Well, no idea if this is right, but it does look like the right shape, so I might as well make the rest. I'm supposed to need 6 total. Now that all the little individual petals are made, it looks like we glue them all together, more or less on this line. I think I'll give the glue pen a chance for this one. Now I'm just gonna hold them as they dry so they don't pop back open again. The very last step is attaching the popsicle sticks. I feel like the glue dots are more likely to stick better to the wood, so 2 should be fine, I think. Ready? I hope this is cool. Ta-da! I don't think this is what it was supposed to look like, but it's still pretty. Maybe these flaps are supposed to puff out. Yay! A rainbow flower! I did it! About halfway through, I thought for sure that they had lost me for good. But I'm pretty sure this is at least close to what they meant. And I think that's impressive. So it turns out that double-sided origami paper would have been better for this. But this way, it just looks like a lovely, very faint pastel rainbow. You could skip the popsicle sticks and just glue them together to make like a hanging decoration or a garland. I mean, that would be pretty cool. It's kind of cute flat like this too. I almost like it better like that. What would I do with it? I don't know. Put it somewhere. But this was actually pretty easy once I figured out what I was supposed to be doing. Took a minute. You should make some. They're so cute. And they're pretty cheery. Pretty on this side too, but not as exciting. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!